Hello. Hola a todos. Hello everybody.
Hi.
It's a rainy day. It's pouring out there. That's not good.
It's good. Flowers need
Good
the
for
rain.
flowers. Well, not right now. Flowers are dead. But it's Michigan, bipolar weather. Nothing we can do about it. Alright, so I'm gonna do just a French braid. And pull it to the side, throw it to the back. Nothing too wow today. Nothing too fancy, but it's gonna turn out good, I promise. So what I did is I cut it on here, divided my hair on the side, and we're gonna pull it to the side, all of it. And then if you can grab here on the back, it's fine too. Did you say good morning, babe?
Good morning, everyone.
Some people already watching. We're getting ready to go to church.
Man's hairdo coming up.
Alright, so we're gonna do 3 strands. Okay. And we're gonna do it under. So this is it's more like a, I think it's more like a Dutch braid. I always get confused with those two braids.
Braid.
Can anybody help me? Dutch and the French braid, I think is the one that you go over, and then the Dutch you go under.
Excuse me, lady.
So we are doing under, and we're gonna pull it. Okay, we're not gonna leave it tight. We're gonna make it big. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna do something. Sorry, that's how I am. Just bear with me. I'm only gonna feed from the back, not the front, because I want it to have it to the front as much as I can. Just remember that. My bad. Okay. Good morning, good morning. I can't see you right now. See, just feed from the back. You're feeding. More. You pull. Always pull because you want it tight. Okay. Looking good. Keep feeding. Hi, ladies. Wow, that's a lot of hearts. Thank you. Love y'all too. It's Sunday. Let's go praise Jesus. Okay, so I'm almost done over here. Is breakfast ready? Is your breakfast ready? Should be ready by now. Okay, so see how it is? We're gonna start pulling. Let me put I'm gonna put a rubber band real quick, just to keep it in one place. I don't wanna. And so you just pull, see? You want to make it thicker. You just start pulling. Just be gentle. Okay. Kind of make it even. When you go down, you can pull it higher, because see. Now we're gonna do this side. And we have braid. I'm using number 1 hold. I should use the other one, right? Because since it's raining. Well, it's okay. So, you pull on both sides. Be patient. We're getting there. All right. I think it's how I want it. I'm gonna throw it to the back, like I said. Remember, I put this rubber band at the end because I wanted it to stay in one place. I'm gonna use my phone. Let me get my mirror. See, it's looking good already. And then with baby hairs on the front, things comes a little loose. Hold it, hold it. And then where is my comb? Here it is. With this, you're gonna push your baby hairs, especially here in the front. Okay. I like it. You like it? It's nice. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a bun in the back. I can do a braid bun, or I can do a braid bun. Okay. That just came up. Sorry, I look a little tired.
Me too.
My husband too. We've been working in the house and doing so much errands.
So much what?
Errands. We are remodeling our home. At the end, I'm going to show you.
You gotta show the progress too.
I have to show the progress. Right? You're right. Okay, I just did that right here. Hairspray. Okay, I'm gonna pull, hold here. Always hold. You don't have to do as much, just a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're gonna do a braid. I need to comb the back. Give me a minute. Okay, I'm gonna divide it in 3 strands. Any questions? Anybody?
I do have a question.
You have a question? My husband has a question.
How much longer?
How much longer? Rude. I just started, right, ladies? We just started. Okay.
Oh, mommy has some here. Stay there.
Then you pull it to the front. Just, this is a normal braid. We're gonna wrap it. Okay. I'm gonna wrap it around. Keep it coming, keep it coming. It doesn't matter if it's tight. It's actually good if it's tight.
Really?
Okay, it's long, so it takes a little while to get it down there. Really, I think I'm estoy lo que estoy en el video.
Sorry.
Okay, here's fine. Let's get another rubber band. I was giving tips about rubber bands the other day.
Buy the good ones.
Besides that, buying the good ones, you just have to,
Buy the good ones.
because I was using it up here. So some of you were asking or saying those will break the hair, and yes, it's true. It's true. But what I do is I just grab a scissors. Scissors. I pull the rubber band and I cut. And then it'll be like a thread. You just pull it out. You don't have to break your hair at all. Okay. Okay. So see my hand? We can go like this. Like this. Right? Or like this. I like to do it like this. Let me get my big bobby pins. You start securing your braid. Use as many bobby pins you need. There you go. And then you go circle. And then you're gonna hide this. You're gonna go under. And then put the rest away. Okay. Now do it for me. I think. The rest is coming. So. There. And now we're gonna put this on. See, I have it like this. This is what I'm gonna do with the rest, okay? My 2 fingers. Keep it in a circle. Here's my two small bobby pins. 2 small bobby pins. And then another one. we can use like a clip here. Okay. ¿Qué quieres, Eduardo? Oh, you just start like putting the braid however you like on the bag. Oh. I like it. I like it. It's cute. You can cover your ear or not. Like it's cute. You can still fix the top because the top is very important. Okay. It's very cute. It looks cute, ladies. Let me see myself in the mirror, okay? I approve it. Just gotta put this here. And I want to put something here in the back. Thank you. Thank you. This is where I have my things. It's a gift. Well, not full, but the bag is a gift from my friend. So it's where I keep all my things. And it's becoming small, so I would need to buy another one or a bigger one. But let's see. Oh my gosh. I think since I'm having color, this one's. Thank you. Thank you. It's nice. I told you it was gonna turn out good. And you're just making the braid. I have baby hairs, but I can fix that. It's not an issue. Should be fine. Only one, because I want the braid to be the focus point of the hair. Okay? It's nice. Alright, ladies. I hope you guys can do this hair on you yourselves. Okay. Yeah, looks nice. Very nice. So enjoy your day, enjoy your family. Remember to love the Lord with all your heart, soul, and mind. Cynthia Hernandez. Remember, I have my YouTube channel. I have more videos there that you guys can watch and learn how to do more hairstyles. So search Cynthia Hernandez in YouTube and you'll find me. Have a good day. Bye.